Hi everyone, I'm Emily Nash and I'm here with Reese. Say hello, Reese.
Hello.
And we're doing Foundations of Sound for LC6348. Okay, so give me that. Might be a distraction. I'll give it back. Okay. All right, Reese, I'm really looking forward to spending time with you as you learn more about sounds. Let's start our time together by playing a few games. In these games, are you paying attention? What are we going to play? Games.
Cars.
Games. In these games, you're going to be using 3 senses. Can you name your 5 senses? You know what your 5 senses are? Okay. So what are these?
Eyes.
Eyes. So you can see. What can you do with these?
Listen.
We hear. Yes. And what do you do with these?
Grab.
No, we touch. Touch is another sense. What is this? Sense of
Smell.
smell. And what do we do with this?
Lick.
No. We do with your food.
Lick it.
You taste it. Okay, so say these with me. Eyes,
Yes.
ears,
Yes.
mouth, nose, and touch with your hands. Okay? All right, let's start with our ears. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to close your eyes.
No.
And while your eyes are closed, I'm going to make a sound. And you have to tell me what sound that is, but you cannot open your eyes. Now, let me say that again. In just a minute, I'm going to tell you to close your eyes, and I'm going to make a sound. And you can only hear it. You can't see it. And then you have to tell me what it is. Let's see if you can get it right. Okay, ready? You ready? You ready? Can't hear you.
Wait.
Okay. All right, listen carefully. Close your eyes. And listen carefully as I make the first sound. Somebody's cheating. I'm going to do it over here. What was that? What's that called?
Banging.
Banging on
A table.
a table. Yes, so we're tapping on the table. All right, let's do another one.
I do one.
Close your eyes. Yes, you can do one in a minute. Close your eyes. Ready? What was that? No, I didn't slap my behind. Listen again. Close your eyes. What did I do? I did not bang my hands.
That's not what I do.
What was I doing?
I would.
All right, let's see if your ears are working better. Close your eyes. What did I do? Snapping. Can you say that? Don't uncover my stuff over there. It's our next game. All right. All right, here's another one. Close your eyes. What was it? Use your words.
Clap.
Clapping, yes. Last one. This one's really quiet. You ready? Close your eyes. All right, what was it? What's that called?
Oh, sorry.
What?
I don't know.
What's it called when you do this?
Yummy.
Rubbing my hands together. Can you say that?
Cute.
Say it.
Lovey did.
I didn't hear you.
Loving your hands to grab your-
Good job. All right, now we're going to play another game. This game, you're going to use your eyes, okay, to help you remember things that I show you. So what I'm going to do is we're going to come over here. I've got things under this towel. Don't do it yet. Don't look. Don't. I'm going to turn this so she can see, okay? All right, so I've got things under this towel for you to look at. No. Let me see how long I keep them uncovered. Hold on. Okay, so you get 1 minute. So we're going to look at the clock up here, and I'm going to show you these things, and then after 1 minute, I'm going to cover them up, and you have to tell me what they are. All right, ready? Wait. Ready?
I can't do it.
Set. Start now.
No.
All right, look at them.
Hi.
Don't move them. You can't touch them. You can only look at them. Can't touch them. Don't you touch them.
I'm not.
Okay. Don't do it. You're going to cheat. Keep looking. Your minute's not up yet. Don't touch it. You're going to be cheating.
supposed to be. It's supposed to be.
You better look, because you're going to have to tell me what they are in just a second. Oh, your time's almost up. Are you watching?
I don't know this.
Don't touch it.
I don't know that one.
It's candy. All right. Ready? And... All right. Stop. Okay. Time's up. All right. Now tell me all the things you remember.
Toilet.
Toilet.
Spider.
Spider. That's two.
Eye.
An eyeball.
And the candy.
Candy.
A hook.
A hook.
And that side thingy. No, that side thingy.
What's a slide thingy?
I don't know what it's called.
Oh, okay. It's called a boat.
And
That's six. Okay, that's pretty good. You got six, right? Let's see how many you didn't get. Okay?
I'm not weighing.
It's okay. All right.
I'm not
Did you get glasses?
Yeah, no.
No, we'll put it over there. Did you get spider?
I
What's your time's up,
did.
baby? Your time's up. Did you get spider?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to put it over here for yes. Did you get buzz?
No.
No, we're going to put him over there. Did you get eyeball?
Yes.
Okay, put it on yes. Did you get boat?
Yes.
Yes. Did you get coffee?
Yes.
No.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. Did you get a hook?
Yes.
Did you get a toilet?
Yes.
Did you get candy?
Yes.
Did you get a stick?
Yes.
No. All right.
Mama.
So good. You got all these right.
That on them.
You got all these right. You got 4 more to get right next. All right. Next, we're going to play a different game. So that time you used your eyes. This time, you're only going to use your fingers.
No.
Okay? No, let go. Let go.
No.
Don't forget, we're recording. Okay? All right. So this time, I'm going to give you this bag. And I'm going to give you a timer for 1 minute. There is 10 toys in this bag.
I don't want to do it.
I'm sorry. Can you say 10 toys?
No. 10 toys.
10 toys in this bag.
That's what I said.
Okay. Now, you can't look in this bag, Grace.
Yes, I
Here's what you're going to do. You're going to only feel them with your hand to try to figure out what they are.
No, I didn't do that.
Well, you are.
I
All right, here we go. Come over here so they can see you. Come over here. All right, here we go. You have 1 minute to tell me what these are without doing what? All right. Do I need to pause the video
I can't do
so you can
it.
get yourself together?
No, I can't do it.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Timer's about to start. I'm going to hide your eyes so you don't look. Stick your hand down in there and go.
I don't know.
Just try to guess. Feel it. Uh-oh. All right, well, I'm going to do this so you won't look. Don't pull it out. Feel it. Can you figure out anything?
No, I can't do it.
Come on. You can't find one thing in there? You know? Come on. Oh, I feel one thing. What is it?
My own.
No, there's one thing in there, you know. Really easy.
I don't know.
No, stop. Don't make me fight with you. I'm trying this video off. Okay.
I don't know how.
All Yes, feel it around like this. Use your fingers to figure out what it is. What if your eyes didn't work? This is what you would have to do. What is this right here? What is this?
I don't know.
What is that?
My fingers.
Oh, I noticed your fingers. All right, time's up.
I don't know how to
All right, I'm going to pull them out. Let go, and I'll pull them out. Let go.
You let go.
Okay. All right, let's dump them out and see what they are. Did you feel like you knew any of them?
No.
All right, so the first thing I'm going to pull out, here's slide these other toys up here. Let's see, the first thing I'm going to pull out, you didn't know what that was? What is that?
Shovel.
Shovel. Did you know what that was?
No.
It was, All right, let me turn off the video so I can get you under control.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. All right, so we've got a shovel and we've got a ball.
I don't want to say all again.
What is that? Did plane. Let me see if you knew what this was. What is
I
that?
didn't say that.
I know, because you wasn't feeling really good. That was a whale. What was that?
That's not a whale. That is a whale song.
Okay. So what is that?
Marco.
Marker. And what is that?
I'm saying it.
A fly. What is that guy?
I don't want to say one.
You have to. You're on video. Come on. You're on video. Do you want me to turn it off and get you together? All right, here we go. What is this?
I'm saying it.
I didn't hear you. Fish. What about this guy? What is that?
Feel that.
What is it? Okay, I'm gonna pause it just a minute.
Wait.